Thanks for tuning in to the Crusher Trading Recap Show for Monday, December 9th, 2024. And I keep on crushing it today, $4,843. If you want to learn the strategy, do me a favor and click the like button. And if you haven't subscribed right now, would be the perfect time to subscribe. And you too can come and learn the Crusher Trading strategy. I'm trading live absolutely free from 9:30 to 11 New York time. So don't miss out. Click the like button. Please subscribe and come check out the strategy and see how I'm making the money that I'm making. This is a good strategy, and I've been making money every single day for the last 6 months, okay? Let's get into the trade of the day. And there it is. The trade of the day is actually Tesla, $4,843. And Tesla just keeps on producing for me. Now, I know the charts look a little messy, and I get it. But this is what works for me, okay? This is my roadmap to success right here, having all these lines on here. These are my Fibonacci levels. I got my Crusher zone up here. You can see we have the Bollinger Bands running horizontal. I had this really nice, what I call an injection candle, or some would call an evening star. But just the way it's formed at the Bollinger Bands in this particular situation, this is why we call it an injection candle. It's injecting outside the bands into the Crusher zone, which is a huge indicator for a move to the downside. And that's exactly what I did on Tesla right here. Seen this injection candle, and I got puts, and I moved all the way down to the Crusher zone, and I got out of most of the trade right in this area right here. I also did take a few calls to the upside here, not a lot, but you can see right here on Tesla to the upside, we're at the VWAP, and I did take these up to the Crusher zone also before I took the big trade to the downside. So that was the Tesla trade today. Now I'm telling you, usually we trade the 5-minute opening candle. These are my wick zones I have marked on the one, and we also trade the Crusher zone for reversals, bounces, and pullbacks. Okay, this is a really good strategy for me, and I can make money daily trading this. And I don't think it's very difficult to learn. If you want an opportunity to learn the strategy, check us out. You know, Monday through Friday, every day. We're free right now on YouTube from 9:30 to 11. Let's check out the watch list and see what took place today. Now, as far as Crusher zone trades go, we did not see a lot of Crusher zone trades, but I always say at least one time it'll set up on the tickers that we trade. And this is it right here on Tesla. You can see we have this nice injection candle at the Crusher zone for a beautiful move to the downside. We also had a second Crusher zone trade right here on Tesla before it took the dive down. And there you go, that's Tesla. But all in all, not a lot of Crusher trade setups as far as the Crusher zone goes, but we did have quite a few continuations. AMD did end up playing continuation of the downside, but once again, I wasn't waiting around for it. Amazon, beautiful move to the upside, nice continuation. Meta, same thing, moved to the downside, blew through the Crusher zones. You know, you kind of had stocks going all over the place. Some were going up, some were going down. So you really had to pay attention to the technicals and focus in on the stock that you were going to trade and look for those setups. Now, so the way that this is set up for us to trade is to get rid of all bias and work 100% off the technicals so you don't have any interference or any noise disrupting your trading, all right? Let's keep moving on here. Apple, nice trade to the upside. And then we have NVIDIA here. Looks a little choppy, but we had some good trades right here. Nice continuation to the upside outside the Bollinger Bands at the zero line. Couldn't have asked for a better setup on NVIDIA to the upside. This is a highly probable trade. Unfortunately, we did not get to the Crusher zone. We only got to the 0.618, but that's okay. It still was a good trade, and I think that was worth about $1 something. Yeah, almost $2. So all in all, NVIDIA was an awesome trade today. So there was definitely a lot of setups. I don't have them all marked on the charts here right now. So this is the Crush It trading strategy. If you want to learn more, check me out absolutely free right here on YouTube, Monday through Friday from 9:30 to 11. And you too can see how I trade the Crush It trading strategy. Also, it's $79 per month for life if you decide to come into the room and learn how we do this. And if you wait till January, it will go to $229 after that. All right, guys? Take care. Have a good night. And we'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning.